Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be trying out some reflective gel nail polish, which I actually bought these a year ago from Amazon and I just completely forgot about them, so I'm excited to finally be using them. So getting right into it, we have this navy blue color. After the second coat, it pretty much looked black just depending on the lighting, but it was really easy to work with. I applied 2 coats and it's just a gorgeous color. Next up is this chocolatey brown that is so perfect for fall. This was a little bit more sheer than the previous one, so I ended up doing 3 coats, which for gel nail polish, I really don't mind doing 3 or even 4 coats because you don't have to wait for it to dry, so it's still a pretty quick process. Next is this mauve pink shade, which if you guys have been around, you guys know I love a mauve pink, and I actually ordered some gel nail polish to try to do some nail art with this one, so I'm hoping they look the way I want them to look, because you know online sometimes the colors look completely different when you get them, so I hope that works out. But this was also pretty sheer. I ended up doing 3 coats, but I think this is one of those polishes you can just layer on top of a similar color, so that is another option. If you don't feel like doing 3 coats, you could just pick a similar color and then apply 1 coat. This next shade, you guys, I cannot wait for Christmas nail art because this shade is going to be so perfect for it. It's just a sparkly red. Again, it is sheer, so you can just apply 1 coat of red gel nail polish and then layer a coat of this on top. Really up to you. Either way, it's pretty. I'm excited. Also, this year, I'm trying to figure out when I want to start holiday nail art. Typically, I try to wait till after Thanksgiving, but I don't know. I might start early. We'll see. We'll see. This next shade I personally like more as a topper because it is really sheer, so you can layer this over any color that you want and it still gives it that reflective look without completely covering the color. So again, that's how I would use it. If you want to just use this on its own, you can, and I did still show 3 coats with it, but as you can see, it doesn't completely build up, so it's still going to give you that sheer look regardless. So that is that one. And then also the silver one, same thing. I like it as a topper or even just little details in nail art. But again, unless you want that sheer look, I would layer this over another color of your choice. Now I have some easy nail looks for you guys. Let me know which design is your favorite and I will talk to you in my next video.